ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 19, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 7. ಪ್ರಚೇತಸಾಂ ತಾವದಯಾಚತಾಮಪಿ ತ್ವಮೇವ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಭರಾದ್ವರಾನದಾಹ ಭವದ್ವಿಚಿಂತಾಪಿ ಶಿವಾಯ ದೇಹಿನಾಂ ಭವದ್ವಸೌ ರುದ್ರ ನುತಿಶ್ಚ ಕಾಮದಾ. Word by word meaning. Tavat, then. Prachetasam, ayachatam, api. Even without prachetas asking. Tvam eva, thou thyself. Karunya bharat, out of thy infinite compassion. Varan adaha, didst give boons. Bhavat vichinta api, even the thought of thee. Dehinam shivaya bhavatu, may it confer welfare on beings. Asau rudranutihi cha, the Rudra him also. Kamada bhavatu, may it fulfill all desires. Full meaning. Then, even without prachetas asking, thou didst thyself give them boons out of thy infinite compassion. May even the thought of thee confer welfare on beings, and may Rudra's hymn be the fulfiller of all desires. Om Tat Sat.